What does the cast of Frozen nose in?
What temperature does water freeze?
I want to dance with somebody.
Oh, no.
Why was that so violent? And we're back with Evan Rachel Wood and Adina Menzel. We are going to play a new game we're calling What Does the Cast of Frozen Nose in?
Cast. The actors taking part in a play or movie. To freeze, to turn, or be turned into ice. Freeze, froze, frozen. To know, have information about something, or be absolutely sure about it.
Joey, do they know that we know?
They know you know.
Oh, I knew it!
To know, knew, known. The name of this game is composed of a combination of two verbs.
This is like hot potato, but the balloon is going to keep filling up until it bursts.
Balloon. To fill up, to make, or become completely full. To burst, break suddenly apart, spilling the contents.
But the balloon is going to keep filling up until it bursts. You can't pass the balloon until you get the question right. Ready? Everybody ready?
To pass, transfer something to someone, move or go through.
You can't pass the balloon until you get the question right.
Evan, what country is the Kingdom of Arendelle inspired by?
Norway?
Yes, correct.
To inspire. To give someone the enthusiasm or ability to do or create something.
Evan, what country is the Kingdom of Arendelle inspired by? Gosh, what Mariah Carey song is back on Billboard's Hot 100 chart right now?
I want to dance with somebody.
No.
I don't know. Pass.
No, I can't.
No.
All right, who won the Tony Award for lead actress in a musical in 2004?
To win. To be the best in a competition, or to be successful in a conflict. To win. Won.
Who won the Tony Award for lead actress in a musical in 2004?
Adina Menzel.
That's correct. Adina, who lost the Tony Award for lead actor in a musical in 2011?
Could I send it that way? Because it was Josh Gad.
You got it.
To lose. Fail to win a game or competition. Stop having something, or be unable to find. Lose, lost.
Who lost the Tony Award for lead actor in a musical in 2011? Evan, in what country is the Frozen ride located at Epcot at Walt Disney World?
Oh, my God, with the scaring everything.
Oh,
Why was that so violent?
no. Oh, no.
Violent. Using harmful physical force, capable of causing damage.
Why was that so violent?
You got Elsa blasted. I'm so sorry. Join me over here. You're out.
You know, that's
I'm so sorry. Very good job.
I hope it doesn't do that to my hair.
To blast. To explode or destroy something or someone with explosives. To join. Connect to someone or a group. Become a member of an organization.
You got Elsa blasted. I'm so sorry. Join me over here. You're out. Josh, what day does Hanukkah begin this year?
December 10th?
You're all Jewish.
11th?
22nd.
22nd it is.
Merry Christmas. Ooh. And Happy Hanukkah.
Are you for Hanukkah too? Because I'm part Jewish.
You are? Me too.
Because armadillos also wandered in the desert?
Hanukkah. Jewish annual 8-day festival of lights, held in December.
Adina, at what temperature does water freeze? Hey, pull that in towards you, you little cheating ice queen.
Oh, shoot, a science question at 0 degrees.
Yes.
Oh.
Really?
Push. Pull. Push. Pull. Cheating. Behave in a dishonest way, especially in a game or examination.
Hey, pull that in towards you, you little cheating ice queen. Josh, who voiced the demigod Maui in Moana?
The Rock, Dwayne
You got
Johnson.
it. No! Adina, what's the study of weather called?
To call. Contact by phone. Cry out to attract attention. Give a specified name. Another example.
You're wasting your life.
I am not. What you call wasting, I call living. I'm living my life.
Weather. conditions of the atmosphere, such as sun, rain, wind.
What's the study of weather called?
No, not paleontology.
Be careful. Josh, you're the winner.